We're gonna remove the speedometer on this Lycan 250. We need a 22 millimeter socket. I take the part right here. We need the what size is this one? It's a 6 millimeter Allen socket. I'm gonna take this too. And this other one. I'm gonna put this on the gas tank to protect the paint because probably we're gonna have to put all this part on the right here. Okay. Now, just a little bit like this. Have to be careful. Now, we're gonna need the Phillips screwdriver. I'm gonna use the socket, but you can use the screwdriver. It's fine. And we're gonna take this 3-volt. And now we're gonna use a 10 millimeter. Now we're gonna put back this speedometer. Like, it's gonna be like this. Yeah, like this. Gonna put the washer, the nut. It's a 10 millimeter socket. You can use a wrench, whatever you have. Let's go. Okay. Now we're gonna connect the plug right here, and we're gonna cover this. The handlebar a little bit, and we're gonna put back this little cap right here. We're gonna make sure we put it on the right way, and we have to put 2 screws on it. Like this, not too hard. This is gonna be the next one. I'm gonna do the same screws. this one. Okay. Then you have to put this back. Oh, the normal position, like this. We're gonna use this one. We're gonna put it back right here. And we're gonna use a 22mm socket. This one right here. We're gonna use this 6mm range socket. Let's say Allen. There. Just turn it on. It's working.